Look, my friends, now we can see Alexander Mcqueen. Yes, as usual, let's check the exercise first. Yes, one pair of shoes come with two kinds of card. One is paper card, and another one is plastic card. It's very nice. And the shoes come with one more laces. Yes, one more laces. And the dust bag. Box info. Yeah, size and the code number. And the shoes come with strong box. You can hear strong box. One shopping bag. Yeah, the most important is the quality. Yeah, shoes is very nice. And follow me, let's check the quality and the details. Shoes make of calf skin is soft. Yeah. And the golden hue with black logo. Sole. In the village is warmly. Yes, shoes are very nice. Very nice and heavy. Yeah. So my friends, if you also interested in the shoes, we can have a discuss. It's all. See you.